In this video, we will follow on from the first video about machine learning and discuss deep learning or DL. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which uses artificial neural networks which mimics the human brain's neural network, in order to learn. Artificial neural networks or ANN is a complex and technical subject to understand, and is beyond the aim of this series of AI topic videos. For those of you who are curious enough and brave enough to want to know more about ANN, we have provided some links to where you can read up more on ANN. Ever wonder how your phone's Face ID unlocks your device just by looking at you? Or how Google's voice search accurately understands what you're asking? It's all thanks to something called a deep learning. But, what is deep learning? Let's imagine you're trying to teach a toddler how to identify a cat. You might show them several pictures of different cats. Over time, they'll begin to recognize patterns, the shape of the ears, the eyes, the tail. Similarly, you are a student of fine arts. You learn to recognize the artworks of great painters by the style of their paintings, the colors used, the brush strokes, and so on. It is easy to recognize works from Van Gogh, Picasso, and Dalí by their distinctive style. That is essentially how deep learning works. Deep learning uses artificial and neural networks with several layers, hence a deep, that learn to recognize patterns in data. It's like learning how to identify cats and artists, but on a much larger and more complex scale. Deep learning isn't just about identifying cats and artists though. It's being used in some incredible ways. For instance, self-driving cars use deep learning to navigate streets safely, and medical researchers use it to analyze images and diagnose diseases more accurately. And the future? It's even more exciting. We could see deep learning helping with everything from predicting natural disasters to creating more personalized learning experiences. Deep learning is a complex field, but it's also an incredibly fascinating one that's shaping our future. For those curious, we've included links to more accessible resources below. Stay curious, and keep exploring.